My name is Steve. I'm a web developer. I give Visual Studio Code a 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. Used and considered was Vim. One of them is Vim and Atom. And one of the other IDEs that I wanted to use was either PHP Storm because I do work with PHP, and if I remember correctly, PyCharm because I used to work with Python. So those are the other IDEs that I considered, but in the end, I chose Visual Studio Code. One of the reasons why I chose Visual Studio Code was the fact that I could use it in any operating system. If I need to use it on Linux, I can download it in Linux. If I need to use it on Windows, I can easily download Windows and there's no issues with it. Another reason why I chose Visual Studio Code is that there's a group of people out there who are creating a lot of extensions that help developers like me make my job a lot easier. To get started on Visual Studio Code, it's really easy. It's not that hard to learn and everything is just out there for you. When you first enter it, it does give you a tutorial, which I honestly I don't think you need, but if you do, then it's a good way to start on using the IDE itself. When using Visual Studio Code, make sure to not download too many extensions that might interfere with one another. Make sure to carefully read the extensions so that you know that it won't interfere with one another.